Imagine a time nearly 2 millennia ago when gladiators fought to the death for the entertainment of the masses. In the heart of Rome stood a magnificent amphitheater, the Colosseum, a marvel of architecture and engineering. Its construction began under the reign of Emperor Vespasian around 70 AD and was completed a decade later by his son Titus. This grand structure, built from concrete and sand, could hold an estimated 50 to 80,000 spectators. The Colosseum was a stage for gladiatorial contests, a spectacle that captured the Romans' love for entertainment and blood sport. But it was not just gladiator fights that filled the Colosseum. Imagine this colossal structure filled with water to stage mock sea battles, or adorned with elaborate sets for dramatic plays and recreations of famous battles. Yet the Colosseum is not just a symbol of the Roman Empire's might and grandeur. Over the years, it has played many roles, housing a range of activities from housing and workshops to religious orders. It has served as a fortress, a quarry, and even a Christian shrine. Despite centuries of neglect, earthquakes, and stone robbers, the Colosseum has endured. Its partially ruined state only adds to its allure, a poignant reminder of the transient nature of human glory. A testament to the grandeur and brutality of the Roman Empire, the Colosseum now stands as a symbol of Italy's rich history. As you approach the Colosseum, its sheer size and grandeur make a striking impression. The Colosseum, an architectural marvel, stands tall and proud, a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Romans. Your journey begins at the ticket booth, where a myriad of options awaits. You can opt for a guided tour, a self-guided audio tour, or simply explore at your own pace. Once you've got your ticket in hand, it's time to pass through security, a necessary step to ensure the preservation of this historic site. A sense of anticipation builds as you queue, the colossal structure towering above you, beckoning you to discover its secrets. And then, the moment arrives. You cross the threshold and get your first glimpse of the interior. The vast arena unfolds before you, a sight that leaves many breathless. The scale of the amphitheater, the symmetry of the arches, the layers of history etched into every stone. It's an overwhelming sensory experience. Stepping into the Colosseum, you're stepping into history. Inside the Colosseum, the echoes of the past are almost tangible. Let's embark on a journey through time as we explore this grand amphitheater's nooks and crannies. Our first stop is the arena. This vast, elliptical stage was once the heart of the spectacle. Here gladiators fought, naval battles were staged, and dramas inspired by classical mythology were performed. The arena, though now bare and exposed, was once covered in sand to absorb the blood of the fallen. It's a chilling thought, but it's also a testament to the Colosseum's dual nature, a monument of both great beauty and brutal history. Next, we descend into the underground passages, the Hypogeum. This labyrinth of tunnels and cells was a bustling backstage area. Gladiators would prepare for battle, and exotic animals would be hoisted up to the arena through trapdoors. The echoes of fierce lions roaring and gladiators clashing their swords still seem to resonate in these dark, damp passages. Moving on, we climb to the seating areas. The Colosseum could accommodate approximately 50,000 spectators, all seated according to their social status. The emperor and his entourage sat in the opulent imperial box, while the common folk were relegated to the higher tiers. Imagine the deafening roar of the crowd, the thrill, the anticipation, the fear, all these emotions mingling in the air. Finally, we ascend to the upper levels. These were originally reserved for the lower classes and women, but today, they offer a breathtaking panoramic view of Rome. From this vantage point, one can truly appreciate the scale of the Colosseum and its significance in the cityscape of Rome. The Colosseum is more than just a collection of stone and mortar. It's a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire, a monument to its technological prowess, and a haunting reminder of its love for spectacle and brutality. From the roar of the crowd to the sweat of the gladiators, every corner of the Colosseum tells a story. Over the centuries, the Colosseum has survived earthquakes, stone robbers, and the ravages of time. This grand amphitheater, a testament to ancient Roman engineering prowess, still stands tall in the heart of Rome, bearing the weight of history while embracing the present. Today, the Colosseum is more than just a relic of the past. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding universal value. Every year, millions of people from around the globe visit this iconic structure, not only to marvel at its architectural grandeur, but to connect with a civilization that shaped much of our world. In modern Italian culture, the Colosseum continues to be a symbol of national pride. It represents the glory of the ancient Roman Empire and the resilience of the Italian people. Whether it's depicted in art, literature, or even on the 5 cent coin, the Colosseum's influence is far-reaching and profound. Preserving this historic monument is an ongoing effort. The Italian government, along with various international organizations, are involved in meticulous restoration and conservation projects. These initiatives ensure that the Colosseum remains intact for future generations to appreciate. Innovations in technology are also being employed, like 3D modeling and digital mapping, to document and understand the structure better. The Colosseum, once a stage for life and death struggles, now stands as a monument to the enduring strength of human civilization. A visit to the Colosseum is a journey through time. We've traversed the epochs today, from the Colosseum's inception during the reign of Emperor Vespasian, to its grand completion under his successor and son Titus. We've witnessed the might of the Roman Empire, echoed in the Colosseum's colossal stone arches and the roar of the crowd in its gladiatorial games. We've stepped over the threshold of this ancient wonder, touching the worn stone, a silent witness to countless stories. We've explored its vast interior, where the spectacles of a bygone era once played out. We've seen how the Colosseum today continues to stand as an enduring symbol of Rome's past, a testament to architectural prowess and the indomitable spirit of the Roman people. This journey, though brief, has taken us back in time, offering a glimpse into the heart of an empire. As you leave the Colosseum, you carry with you a piece of history, a testament to the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire.